Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can make your audio look professional and with good quality in Audacity. Say, for example, this is the voice recording, which I recorded with the phone only, not a professional mic or something like that. Just with the phone recorder only, I recorded this voice, right? Now I imported this to Audacity and I'll make few changes. First of all, most of you already know that you can remove the noise profile. This removal of noise profile I'll be showing at the end of the video. First thing you need to do is select everything by clicking Ctrl A. The first thing is see this graph, this voice graph. There are some up and downs. First of all, I'll equalize all these by using volume compressor. Click on the effect, volume and compression, and click on the compressor. I really don't have much knowledge on these values, so I'll be always going for presets. Anyway, if you have sound knowledge, you can increase or decrease these settings, but I am using the presets, means already available settings. I'll click on factory reset. These factory resets are given by the software Audacity. Okay. I'll be clicking on gentle and I'll be clicking on apply. So I want the voice to be somewhat gentle. See here, there is a trimming of the volume. Okay. This is not the pitch or those type of settings. This is just volume trimming. Then I can play. Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll explain how to use Gemini Omni Video AI creation tool effectively and very easy. See, the next step we can do is click on effect, click on EQ filters, click on filter, curve EQ, and again I'll go with presets only. Then click on factory reset and click on low roll-offs per speech. So I'll be clicking on apply. Each and every time you need to play and check the result. If the result is okay, you can do that, or you can simply click on Control plus Z. If you click on Control plus Z, the last effect what you have applied will be removed. Okay. So I just clicked on Control Z. Sorry, I'll be clicking on apply here. And again, you need to click on EQ filters, filter curve, EQ and factory resets, and click on bass boost and click on apply. And then click on effect again, EQ filters, filter curve EQ, and click on factory resets and treble boost. And one more final step, I'll be going to EQ filters, graphic EQ, and click on presets and factory reset. And okay, I'll be leaving this like this, but as I told you, I'll show you the noise removing profile. Just maximize your what is this voice clip and go to somewhere where you'll see absolutely no noise, means a flat curve, something like this. And sorry, now select some area and get this noise profile. Click on noise removal, get noise reduction, get noise profile. Okay, now minimize this, Control A, and apply this effect to the whole clip, noise reduction, and just apply this. So in this way, you can make your voice look professional and with good clarity and better than the previous original version. I hope you like this video. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll explain how to use Gemini Omni Video AI creation tool